Boot Lenovo Ideapad 330 from USB drive to install Windows 10 or 11. My laptop Lenovo Ideapad 330. 15 IGM. Model 81D1. Insert the bootable USB flash drive into a USB port. Turn on the laptop. Immediately press F2 repeatedly to open the BIOS setup. Navigate to the security using the keyboard arrow keys. Select Secure Boot, and then disable the Secure Boot function by pressing Enter. Select Boot, and then set the boot mode to UEFI. Select USB boot, and then set USB boot to enabled. Select EFI USB device, USB flash drive, in EFI, then press the F5 key to modify the boot order, making USB hard disk in the first. Select Exit, and choose Exit Saving Changes, and then press Enter to select Yes. The laptop will restart. Wait until a welcome screen will be displayed to install Windows 10. If your PC doesn't boot from a USB when restart, press F12 to open the boot options menu when restart. Then select the USB flash drive, and then press Enter. Select Preferred Language and click Next. Click Install now. Accept the license terms. Choose the installation type. Specify where exactly you want to install Windows,